Okay, so let's play. We got Thomas Mini. We have a mystery wheel. And we got Tic Tac Tongue. Let's have fun.
Okay, Liam, are you going first?
Yeah.
Let's go. Green! You got 15 seconds to get all the green. Are you ready? Go!
Oh, good job, 2. 3.
You're getting it. Go, 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 go!
5.
Oh, that's time. That's time.
Good job.
Okay, Veronica, spin to win. White! Are you ready? Are you ready? Go! Go! Yay! One! Quick, quick, quick! Get this guy! You can do it! Go, honey, go! Yay! 2. Spencer, let's get Spencer! 3. Come on, you can do it! 3! Yay! Get this Spencer now! Oh, time's up! Green! Okay, you ready, Mama? Ready? Go! Oh! Oh, Mama's good at this game. Come on, Percy! Yeah, get him off! Get him off! Oh, who's this guy?
The green?
Oh, that's it! That's all of it!
3.
Red!
Ready, set, go. Oh, Dad's even going around the table. He thinks he can get past it. Out time.
What's Liam gonna get here, guys? White.
Right.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey.
Go. Go get him. 1.
Oh, Spencer, 2. Here we go. Other Spencer. 3. Quick, quick, quick. Go, 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 go. Pound of Stanley. 4. Oh, we got Salty. Oh. Yellow. Yay.
Go.
Get it, honey. Get it, get it, get it. Yay. You can do it. You can do it, Flo. Ah.
Get yellow over here.
Yellow, hurry, hurry.
Get it.
Yay. Right here, right here.
Get this yellow.
You can do it! Oh, Veronica's in! Yellow! Go! Oh, Brendan Day, come on! Oh, interference! 2! 3! Where's... Oh! Here we are over here! Oh!
Pink for Dad. Go. Oh.
Oh!
Whoa. And any more? Off time. So Daddy got 4, but he also knocked down a white one, so we minus 1. So we got 3 this round.
Womp. Yellow! I can't hear you. You ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready? You're not. You have to say the words. Go! 1, yay!
Get quick over here.
Oh, we got that Bill Vennene. It doesn't matter. He's knocked off. Yay!
This guy. 4.
Oh! Yeah, let's count 5. Oh! Hey! You're doing yay! Ah!
Go!
Yay!
Let's see, where's another pink? Do you want to get?
Right over here!
Quick, quick, quick,
I
quick,
want this one, get one.
Get this one! Go, 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 go! Hurry!
Get one.
You want to just get one? Okay.
Oh! Red! Go! Oh, come on! Oh, beat him! Get him! Get him! Yeah, James! Oh, Salty! Oh! Oh, go, 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 Flynn, Flynn! Oh!
Time.
Mama got got 4, but she got a pink one, so we have to subtract and give her 3 points.
Come on, Daddy. Oh, blue. Woo. Go. Oh, you're getting the wrong ones, Dad. You gotta get blue. Dad's just going crazy. Oh, boy. Oh, my gosh. Dad's just getting all of them. Time.
I got 7 blue ones and 9 non-blue ones, so I'm at -2 for this round. But it was a lot of fun.
Alright, so tied for third are Daddy and Veronica with 7 points.
We got third, yay!
Mommy got 9 points.
Yay! Second!
And the winner is William with 14 points.
Oh, how did he win? No way! Yeah! Okay, Liam, how many of these can you get in 20 seconds?
I don't know.
Let's find out.
Go!
Oh, you're doing great! Look at you go! Lining them up and knocking them down, yeah! There's Charlie! Joke's on you, Charlie! Luke! Too late! Oh, Gator got your tongue! Oh! So, Liam, how many did you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
18! Wow! Mama's turn. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Go!
Come on, Mama, you can do it. Oh, yeah! Look at her blow. Go, go! Knock him down. Yeah, cheer her on. Oh, getting a hug from the audience already here, folks. Wow, she's really going. Oh, she missed one, but that's okay. Doesn't matter. Oh!
Let's see how many Mama got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19!
Oh, beat her by 1! Yay, Mama!
All right, Daddy's turn. Daddy ready? William ready?
Ready, go!
What? Oh my gosh, that is cheating! She's like an anteater! Oh my gosh!
Okay, so apparently I got 19 and a half.
No, you got 41.
I got 41. That's how you win, kids. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, hey, stop that. Hey, hey, hey. Are you dancing, tongue guy? Hey, keep that tongue away from me. Dancing guy.
There's a fly and there's a fly going to eat it.
Oh, no flies. Hey, stop it.